Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone guys talkback problem how to fix. Friends you want to fix talkback problem on your device. So how to fix talkback problem? Friends you have talkback problem and friends you are not operating your oppo mobile. So how to fix talkback today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So friends don't worry friends, you can fix your talkback. First of all guys, your phone screen is off, so guys you can unlock your screen with two fingers. And one finger guys you cannot unlock your phone. Just use your two finger and guys swipe. And once you have any pattern password and guys pin, so guys you will have to press and friends draw your pattern, enter your password, your phone will unlock. Again friends use your two finger, scroll it, phone setting icon friends, one tap here and friends continue two tap here, two tap friends continue. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. So how to fix talkback? Friends, scroll with two finger your screen guys. Friends, additional setting you will find here. Click on additional setting guys. After additional setting friends, double tap here. Friends, click on accessibility and double tap here friends. Friends, you can see vision setting talkback. One tap on friends talkback and first double tap to fix. Friends, talkback setting will on, so you will have to double click here. Stop button friends again double tap. Friends your talkback problem will fix on your device and friends now you can use friends your oppo phone without any talkback problem. Friends talkback problem will fix on our device. So like that friends you can fix your talkback problem on your oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt related to guys your oppo phone setting? Friends you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.